Yo, what's up? What's going on, weirdos? Panic sellers are us. What's going on, guys? Back for another evening live stream. We are back, baby. Back in the evenings, checking it out, seeing what's going on out there. Okay, let's get into it, man. Let's have a look around. Let's see what the news is. We got some news. Mr. T with a new partnership with Crypto.com and so much more. Let's talk about it, guys. First up, let's get into the chat. Allison, double dose of crypto future today. He's got the fries that'll cross your eyes, baby. Got the shakes that'll make you quake. You know it, man. You know it. Isaac, my dude, what's up, buddy? Good to see you this evening, man. Good to see you. I was like, man, if I go live this evening and Isaac's not there, oof. Galaxy Shooter, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Colton, how you feeling about Zebec's chart and a possible bounce to the upside? Yeah, you know what? Let's look at the Zebec chart. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, shall we? All right. So, yeah, I mean, people are like, ooh, Zebec had a bad dump today. Yes, it did. However, what I would say to that is we also had a huge breakout to the upside out of this falling wedge. Then we corrected half of it. Then the next day we had another big pump yesterday, all the way up to 20146. And now we're correcting. So, I mean, we've had some pretty big pump action on Zebec lately. So a correction is obvious. We had a perfect retest of the top of the trend line. I wouldn't be, because we had that perfect retest, I wouldn't be shocked to see us kind of move back up a ways, probably tomorrow, maybe late tonight, but probably tomorrow. Bit of a green day, depending on what Bitcoin does. But if everything holds par as it is right now, we'll probably see a move up for Zebec here. Probably, yeah. I feel that. Green tea in the house. Squirtle, what's going on? We got Squirtle in the building. We need Charmander, Pikachu, Bulbasaur. Where are they, man? We got to catch them all. Liquidity, what's going on? Hope you're all doing well. Let's get this pump or dump going. Got a good daily close. Yes. Heinz, what's up, buddy? Hope everyone's having an amazing day. Absolutely, man. Glad the evening live streams are back. Messed up my nightly routine listening to them for so long. Yes, we are back in action, baby. We are back in action. As long as you guys show up to the evening live streams, I will continue to do them. Absolutely. Jake the Snake, what's up, buddy? The market's being interesting this week so far. I'd say I really wasn't expecting this pop. Yeah, me too, man. That makes two of us. Guys, as always, make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Costs you absolutely zero. Big fat donut is all it costs you. Nothing, niente, not a damn thing, just a click of the mouse. So go ahead and click that mouse, guys. Bring some good karma into your life. Do something nice for somebody else. It'd be fantastic. Super fantastic. Do it now. So, yeah. Zebec has taken a beating today. Yes and no. Like I said, it pumped for two out of the last, 4 days, right? Half the time, 50% of the time, it's been pumping pretty big. So right now I know a lot of people have been talking to me over on the Patreon about how they took profits at the top way up here, and now they're buying back in down here, which it's been providing a phenomenal swing trade opportunity, right? At the end of the day. So I'm super excited about it, guys. I'm continuing to stuff my bag. I know a lot of people who are doing the same thing, taking advantage of it, guys. Before we see a pump like Onyx Coin did, guys, a nice solid 400, 500, 600% run to the upside is in the cards eventually here, and I want to be there for every little bit of it, baby. Nothing but the North talk. Roman Reigns in the house. Acknowledge me. I got you, brother. We the ones. We the ones, they the twos, right? Man, nothing but the North talk. Listen, man, you're always in my top 3, and you're not 2, and you're not 3, brother. Let me tell you. Matt, yo, family, made one after a while. There you go, brother. Good to see you, Matt. Good to see you. Heinz says, smash that like button. Absolutely, man. Raymond's in the house. What's up, buddy? WF Capital. AJ, let's go, baby. Let's go. Corey, I'm ready for Swift to start going again. Hey, man, absolutely. Swift is a great buy opportunity as well right now, though, guys. Absolutely, man. Thanks for all you do, Rob. I know we're burning the candle at both ends, and it's all for us. Hey, man, absolutely. I want everybody to win. You know, I want everybody to win. Rod, it's all good. It's all good. Volk's in the house. What's going on? James, liked on principle. Rob, appreciate your updates. Thank you so much, James. You know, I'm the same way, guys. I'm the same way. Here's the thing. When I go watch a YouTuber's video that I watch consistently, whenever it's like routine for me, and I'm just saying, right? It's routine for me. When I click on the video and it pops up, the first thing I do is I don't even care what they're saying. I click like. I don't even care what they're saying because I want to support them, right? I want to help them fight the algorithm. That's what I personally do, right? And I don't even care what they say, right? Sometimes I'll just, like, if I see that Max or Otaku or something like that is putting out a video or a live stream, I'll click on it, let it pop up, I'll click like, and then just close it out and leave, right? Just because I'm a nice guy, right? I want to help mi familia, right? I hit the like, let's go turbo. Absolutely, man. Turbo to the moon, baby. Turbo to the freaking moon. Good evening, everyone. Matt's in the house, stacking Zebec at these prices. Hell yeah. FUD. Quentin, what's up, buddy? No notification this time. Oh, damn. Really, man? That sucks, man. Beebs, my guy, my dude, my brother from another mother. All right, guys, we're caught up in the chat already. Keep that chat filling up, guys. I'm going to get into some of the news. We're going to have a look at what's going around the cryptoverse. I don't like saying cryptoverse because I guess that's like something that Bitcoin maxis like to say, but hell, what are you going to do, right? Emmanuel, what's up, buddy? Been a minute. How you doing, brother? Good to see you. You know, I click like I appreciate you, Beebs. Absolutely. I know you got my back, brother. I know you got. We got a pretty good ratio right now. We got 70 viewers and 44 likes. That's pretty good. I think that's okay. Otaku's been throwing them orange pills. Yeah, he does that. He's my guy. Otaku's my guy. Has Zebec made their big announcements? No, they haven't. I haven't seen anything. I mean, I saw a couple of new listings announced, but I haven't seen any big announcement though. Nia, what's going on? Love the new specific gem review videos you're doing now. Thank you. Hey, absolutely. I love dropping those things. I try to do them every single day, guys. Listen, I dropped another gem video over on the Patreon just a couple of hours ago. Get over there, guys. Check out these projects. I like to find these nice, small market cap gems with great utility, great tokenomics, and a phenomenal potential, guys. Get over there. Get in early on these plays, man. Get in early on these plays. All right, before I get into the news, guys, once again, as always, big shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Leaving your crypto on a hot wallet like Coinbase Wallet, guys, or Phantom or MetaMask or whatever. Guys, that's like leaving your wallet or purse on a table in a restaurant, getting up and leaving and hoping nobody takes it. That's insanity. You wouldn't do it. Right? So get yourself a self-custody wallet today, guys. I use them. You should use them too. Not your keys, not your coins. Use our link down below. Get a phenomenal deal. They have a Filecoin special deal going on right now where you get 50% off, guys. So check it out. Use our link down below. Danny says, just finished his live. Should be joining us soon. Oh, Otaku, yeah. Busy at work, getting paid to watch a live. That's what I like to hear, man. Magic Power in the house. There's Otaku, my guy. Bring on the pain. Let's go, man. Danny's telling me you're dropping orange pills today. I said, yeah, that's my guy. He's always dropping those orange pills. All right, let's get into some of the news, guys. Let's have some fun. Let's talk about it. What's going on out there? So people have been asking me about Greenfield, guys. They've been asking me about the competitive project that Binance has launched to compete with Jasmy, which is why they're FUDing Jasmy and attacking Jasmy over the last couple of years. So BNB Greenfield is the name of the project. It's a blockchain-based platform launched by BNB Chain to revolutionize decentralized data storage. Unlike traditional cloud services like Amazon Web Service or Google Drive, it gives users full ownership and control of their data while integrating with the broader BNB chain ecosystem. Does that sound familiar to you? Let me read that part again for you guys. It gives users full ownership and control over their data while integrating with the broader BNB chain ecosystem. That is exactly the same thing that Jasmy does, right? This is 100%, guys. Like, this is outrageous at the end of the day, right? You know what I'm going to do about it? I'm going to piss and I'm going to moan, and no one's going to do anything about it. That's what's going to happen. But let's be honest here. Let's just be honest here. If you're asking why Jasmy is in the monitoring zone, if you can't figure that out, when we see right here on your screen, that Binance has launched a project that gives users full ownership and control over their data while integrating with the broader BNB ecosystem. If you can't figure out why Binance has been attacking Jasmy nonstop, I got a bridge to nowhere that I'll sell you, right? You should be outraged as a Jasmy holder at Binance for doing this. Don't be surprised if this gets presented to the SEC, because this is blatant attacking and trying to drive and kill a company that is a direct competitor to you, right? Because you have control of an exchange. If you saw this happen in the stock market, it would be front page news, Wall Street Journal, Forbes, it would be everywhere, right? If like Amazon or freaking Tesla or one of the top Magnificent Seven stocks owned an exchange and was driving and trying to put a direct competitor out of business by delisting them and stuff like that, there would be SEC charges, there would be fines. This is 100% illegal, right? You can't do that. If you can't compete with a project, tough, that's business, right? You can't utilize an exchange to try to kill the company, right? So don't be surprised to see somebody file a report with the SEC at some point now that we have a crypto-friendly SEC. This is absurd. This is completely absurd, right? Chris with the super sticker, thank you so much, brother. Thank you for supporting the channel, my guy. Greatly appreciated, man. I'm so happy to be back doing these evening live streams with you guys. I missed you guys in the evenings. I missed you guys. And immediately after this, we're also doing we will be doing a live stream over on the Patreon as soon as we're done here, guys. So make sure that you don't miss that. Doug, what's up, buddy? Good evening, Rob. Bring that dip, then the rip. Absolutely, man. What will the Patreon membership grant me YouTube Patreon access? You're definitely going to want to jump. You're definitely going to want to switch from YouTube over to the Patreon, because we do live streams over on the Patreon every single evening. We're doing one as soon as we're done here. We drop gem videos over there every day. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me. There's so much more. You have access to all of the Patreon chats and everything. It's all stuff that YouTube simply will not let me connect to YouTube. That's why it's unique to the Patreon only. So it makes more sense, Bronx, for you to just jump over to the Patreon, right? The link for that is in the chat, by the way, guys, if you want to get over there. Before we go live tonight, you don't want to miss out. We also have open mic Fridays over there, guys. You don't want to miss that, I'll tell you. Moto, what's up, buddy? KK, just sold my BNB. You know what, man? I would do the same thing on principle alone because of what they tried to do, man. More late night debauchery. Taku, you're the man, buddy. What's your prediction for SEI and B3? Wow, 2 price predictions in one question. I don't really have one for B3. B3 is too new of a project to really do much charting on, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, you could do short-term charting on it, but to find some sort of a price prediction on it that's going to be accurate would be very, very difficult, if I'm being 100% honest with you. However, if we're looking over at SEI Network, I mean, my target for that is probably somewhere around $3.50, maybe $4 I could see. Bullish on Mr. T, yes. And thank you for using the proper term, because whenever you guys use his actual name, I end up reading it out loud. So thank you for that. We're trying to beat out the algorithm. So the guy who leads your country down there, guys, we refer to him as Mr. T from now on, because of the algorithm doesn't like it when we say his name. It's not that I don't like saying his name. The algorithm has been suppressing me. So yes, refer to him as that. Thank you very much. Amazing coins for you here, Rob. How's everything? Watching while cooking dinner before the family. There you go, man. There you go. Little mac cheese. That's what I've been making. Major chef. They call me Chef Rob. Mac and cheese in the house. All right, what else do we got? Okay, so I'm going to try to cover this without saying his... Well, actually, let's go to this first. Let's go to this first, guys. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Boom. Biggest DePIN projects on Solana by market cap, baby. Check it out. Zebec network right here. Boom. You love seeing that 75 milli. And scroll down the list. What do we see? Oh, Nadix, baby. We love Nadix network. 13 million, guys. This is a gem we dropped on the Patreon a few months ago. Get in early on this play, guys. Not financial advice. You got to do you, boo-boo. But I'm telling you right now, if you sleep on Zebec and Nadix, holy smokes, are you missing out on a phenomenal ROI opportunity? And get over to the Patreon if you want to get in early on these plays, guys. Nothing but the North talk with the super chat. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. How can we break or take down? Just kidding. Let's buy more Jasmine. Well, here's the beautiful thing as well, is that I covered it this morning, but there's actually only I think like 8.5 billion Jasmine tokens left on exchanges for purchase. That's massive, guys. That's massive, right? I know, when you say like 8 billion is a lot, it sounds like a lot or whatever, but it's really not. It's really not. That's not a lot of tokens available for purchase, man. And the less tokens that become available on exchanges, right, for purchase, supply and demand starts to kick in, man. So we will see a squeeze on Jasmine eventually here, man. Trust me on that. Oh, Taku, Orange Man, Orange Coin. There you go, man. Orange Man, Orange Coin, Orange Pill. You know what, Matt, I have actually been meaning to look into Walrus. I looked into it a little bit. This project does look like it has a phenomenal future. I am going to be doing a breakdown of Walrus over on the Patreon, though. I know you're over there, so keep an eye out for it, brother, because I'm going to be dropping some alpha on Walrus over there. That one's going to be good. Jasmine price prediction still 40, 50. Yeah, it could still reach there. It could still reach there. Hell yeah, I got to get me some Nadix. Almost done with my Zebec bag. There you go, brother. There you go. What's good, everyone? Just pulled up. Push-ups, half done. Nice. Yes. Do them all in one sprint, man. 50 push-ups. Let's go. You show up late to the party, you got to get in those gains, man. Right? You hate me for it now, you'll love me for it later, man. That's how we do. That's how we do. All right, let's get, yeah, so big projects, guys, over on Solana, in my opinion. Zebec and Nadix, guys, those are the ones you want to watch for. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right, what else do we have going on? All right, let's get into some of this news here. Real conflicting reports here about where Bitcoin's going to be going, eh? Market sentiment fuels cryptocurrency rally as optimism permeates the financial landscape. Both cryptocurrency and stock prices have experienced a notable surge in the start of the trading week. The White House's recent shift towards a more lenient stance on tariffs has contributed significantly to this positive environment. Previously, looming tariffs threats had resulted in steep declines for various investment assets. However, recent shifts indicate that Mr. T's administration may be moving towards resolution in its trade negotiations. Potential exemptions from certain tariffs for select nations, along with delays on additional sector-specific taxes, are now being discussed. Just hours ago, Mr. T announced tariff exemptions for Hyundai, signaling ongoing talks with trade partners. If agreements are reached with multiple countries, market pressures could lessen. Earlier, there were concerns of the EU regarding a seriousness of the US negotiations, but recent developments suggest that previously planned retaliatory measures have been paused, indicating progress in discussions. The upward trajectory of major stocks indicates the week's outset reflects a prevailing optimism among traders. Bitcoin in particular has seen a daily rise of 3% and an impressive 15% increase over the year. This evolving scenario appears to bolster expectations of regulatory adjustments that could alleviate tensions among conflicting parties. Tobin Marcus from Wolf Research noted that the potential removal of sector-specific taxes in April could significantly lower maximum tax rates across various sectors. Although the reciprocal tariff threshold remains impactful, a less intense market reaction is anticipated. Additionally, Mr. T's mentioned implementing secondary tariffs on Venezuela and related oil or gas transactions through a post on Truth Social. As the stock indices move up, Bitcoin's trading price currently around 88,000. The market is closely observing the impacts of these continuous regulations. All right, guys. So here's the flip side of that coin, though. Now, right now, the market is kind of pricing in a potential lessening of these tariffs. However, if things go south and we don't see much lessening of the tariff situation come April 2nd, it could lead to a big crash on the 2nd. For some reason, I keep wanting to call the 2nd Tuesday. Is it a Tuesday on the 2nd? No, it's a Wednesday. Why do I keep wanting to call it a Tuesday? I don't know. Anyways, on the 2nd, right? So keep an eye out for that. Be cautiously optimistic, you guys. I'm personally going to make sure I continue to have dry powder on the side just to be safe. Mike, what's up, buddy? Supposed to hear from Zebec's team. Yeah, I know. We haven't heard anything yet. We're going to paint the map orange, too. There you go. That's right. Swoopa, what's going on, man? Never a dull moment in the world of crypto. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. We miss you over on the Patreon, by the way, man. David, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. So, yeah, that's the thing you want to watch for with the whole tariff situation, guys. But moving forward, what else do we have here going on about Bitcoin? So we got Arthur Hayes predicts Bitcoin to hit 110K before the dip. Wow, 110K before the dip. Let's check this out, guys. I got to clear my throat first. Sorry about that. All right, so Arthur Hayes, co-founder and former CEO of BitMEX, has made a bold prediction about Bitcoin's next major move. According to Hayes, Bitcoin will surge to $110,000 before it experiences a significant pullback, including a retest of $76,500. His forecast has caught the attention of crypto investors and analysts alike, adding fuel to the ongoing debate about Bitcoin's short-term future. Hayes' view is rooted in market momentum and the overall bullish sentiment surrounding Bitcoin. With the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, what? We don't have an upcoming Bitcoin halving event? What the hell is he talking about? Growing institutional interest and increasing adoption, the next halving event isn't until 2028. Hayes believes there's enough strength in the market to push prices well past current levels. He argues that rather than correcting now, Bitcoin has the potential to gain another 50% from its present position before any meaningful retrace. This kind of prediction often sparks both excitement and skepticism. However, Hayes has a history of offering market insights and have sometimes proven accurate, making his statements noteworthy. Yeah, well, I mean, the sun shines on even a dog's arse sometimes, I suppose, right? Everybody's got to be broken clocks right at least twice a day, too. Okay, so let's talk about Mr. T here, guys. Let's talk about Mr. T. So Mr. T's media group, Crypto.com, to partner on ETF tracking crypto basket with BTC and Crow. Fascinating stuff here, guys. Check this out. Mr. T's Media Technology Group, TMTG, has reached a non-binding agreement with Crypto.com on launching a series of exchange-traded funds and exchange-traded products. The financial products will bear the TruthFi brand and are expected to appear this year in the United States and abroad. The financial products will be known collectively as America First Investment Funds and available through Crypto.com's broker-dealer Forest Capital. They will include funds tracking cryptocurrency as well as securities with a Made in America focus spanning diverse industries such as energy, according to a statement. Trump is, damn it, I said his name. Mr. T is really, really big on this whole Made in America tag, guys. So listen, making sure that a lot of the projects, or at least some of the projects in your portfolio, have that tag on them. Stuff like Zebec, Onyx Coin, Nadix, fantastic projects, guys, with the Made in America tag. Moonwell is another one. There's a lot of great projects out there, guys. The ETFs will be launched, by the way, not financial advice, right? The ETFs will be launched alongside TruthFi's separately managed accounts, SMAs. SMAs are managed portfolios created to meet an investor's specifications. TMTG will invest up to $250 million in the ETFs and SMAs. Charles Schwab will partner with TMTG to develop the SMAs and will custody the TMTG investments. In February, TMTG registered trademarks for the TruthFi Made in America ETF and SMA, TruthFi US Energy Independence ETF, and SMA, the TruthFi Bitcoin Plus ETF, and SMA. Say that 3 times fast. Devin Nunes, we'll call him Nunes, the former congressperson who resigned at the beginning of 2022 to become CEO of TMTG, said, quote, "We aim to create inventive funds incorporating firms that concentrate on rapid growth, technological innovation, and strengthening the U.S. economy, unencumbered by woke nonsense and political posturing." Crypto.com co-founder and CEO Chris Marszalek said, quote, "We are proud to partner with Truth Social, DJT, and Yorkville, America, to support the launch of these new ETFs, including the first of its kind basket of tokens, including Crow. Once launched, these ETFs will be available on Crypto.com app for our more than 140 million users around the world. Crow, Crypto.com, the governance token of Crypto.com. Yes, we know. So, guys, this might be the answer to the question as to why Crypto.com is minting back all of the tokens that they had burned over the last few years that made everybody so upset. This is probably why they're doing it, guys, right? Which is actually pretty bullish when you think about it, right? So I wouldn't come down too hard on them for it now, right? In fact, if you're holding Crow, this is great news for you, right? I am holding Crow personally. I do hold it. So very, very bullish. Danny, what's up, buddy? I need to sleep sometime before a Zoom meeting. I always fall asleep when you guys go live. Is that you snoring in the background all the time when we're live over on the Patreon, Danny? There's always someone snoring in the background. It's hilarious. David, I'm here for it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. There she is, Gamma Goddess in the house. Just making some dry powder, buying the dips, dollar cost averaging. Can't thank you enough, Rob, for your guidance through the crypto maze. Let's get this money. Absolutely. Saying his name gets your videos suppressed or something? Yes, it does, David. Yes, it does. So that's why I call him Mr. T now. Can you show the charts for the last bull run? Got into a bad accident a week ago and I just got my phone back. Why do you want to see that? You're going to have to be specific. Why do you want to see the charts from the last bull run? What is it specifically you want to see? Paul, there he is, my guy, my dude. What's up, buddy? D, what's up, party people? Bubbles in the house. Gotta love those kitties, baby. Gotta love those kitties. Yeah, all caught up in the chat here, guys. We're going to be getting ready to go live over on the Patreon, probably in about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you guys are there for that. It is a hell of a good time, man. You have not experienced a live until you have experienced it over on the Patreon, guys. Group video call. You get to see and hear everybody instead of just being stuck talking in the chat. It's a fantastic time, guys. Check it out for yourselves. The link is in the chat. Get over there, guys. Book your one-on-one coaching calls with me as well. Spots book up fast, man. Gamma Goddess says, see you all over on the Patreon. Yes, we will be live over on the Patreon. Give me about 20 minutes, guys. I will see you there. And hopefully I'll give you guys a few minutes for the new people to jump over before we go live. So, yeah, we'll give it about a 20-minute buffer. Then we will be live. I just uploaded a new gem video over there about 2 or 3 hours ago, too, guys. Check this one out. Absolutely love it, guys. I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Peace.